What's up and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Blazer Low 77, and this is a woman's colorway. This is in the black, sail, and white color scheme. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Blazer Low 77s. This was a woman's exclusive, and this is in the white, black, and sail color scheme. So we're going to start off by the overview, and then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled these, and then talk about how much these are going for on the retail market. And I just want to give a huge shout out to the team over at Nike for sending me these blazers, as well as all of the clothes that I have styled this beautiful color scheme with. So be sure to check down below in the description box all of my links if you're interested in purchasing any of these products that I talk about today. All right, let's jump right into this overview. So I am definitely a fan of the blazers. I haven't had a general release blazer so far in the low, and I absolutely love the low silhouette. I think this is a great option, especially for you ladies out there. If you're just starting out in your sneaker collection, I think the blazer is a great sneaker to start out with. So let's start with the front of the toe box. We've got just that nice white leather, and on the front we have that nice suede that's been kind of roughened up. It seems like it's quite nice and high quality in that heather gray color scheme. Simple white laces, and then we do have that exposed tongue on the top. You can see we've got kind of that aged look with the nylon tongue and a pop of black there for the detailing on the Nike logo that pops off in white. So let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we have just nice crisp white leather and then overlays of that black for the swoosh. As we work our way to the back, we have the Nike in white, which really pops off of the black leather on the back of that heel, and then more white that then extends the other side of the shoe, the black swoosh, and then more of that underlaying white leather and pops of that light gray for the suede. The insole is also in white and black, and then the outsole is completed in that sail colorway, as well as the midsole. Let's take a look at those final details. so let's talk about size and fit. Again, this was a woman's colorway, and this actually runs true to size. So I would say 6 true to size on this one. I'm a woman's size 9, so that's also equivalent to a men's size 7.5. I do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration. If you do have wider, more flat-footed feet, that could differentiate a size that works best for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. So again, thanks to the Nike team for sending me all the pieces that are going to be included in the styling section. I went with the same colorway for everything. I am currently obsessed with the Eclipse Bronze. So definitely head on over to my description box to see and find all of these links if you're interested. I think this is going to be a fire color scheme for the fall, winter coming up. But for styling, I decided to do different types of layers, starting with these leggings, which actually have the Nike swoosh mark printed all over them. I think that these are some high quality leggings. I'm obsessed again with that bronze color scheme. I then layered that with a bronze colored sports bra, which actually matches these leggings to a T. It's got the same kind of print going on there with the swoosh marks.
2 separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know memes that I sent got you back your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car. Check 1 room to you. I'ma come scoop you.
True, let's rendezvous. Skip all that waiting, I'm coming to you. Swoop you at 10, have you back home in June. Shotgun the coupe, destination no more. Yeah, yeah. See you smile everywhere I go.
And then I also layered on top of this, as the seasons get colder, a crop top. And that's just a nice simplistic bronze Eclipse hooded sweatshirt.
You're the only one I wanna hold. If you're down to ride, then I'm down to roll. Ride around and kick it like a rodeo, yeah, yeah. We can make the news or we can let go. Ain't no need to do a single thing just cause they say so. What the hell do they know? Bending all the rules, gonna put you in a rainbow. You and me is perfect timing. Looking like an angel in this lighting. Baby, you a star the way you shining. Looking like the type to make my wifey.
2 separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car.
And then if it gets even colder, I gave you a different layer option, which is this puffer coat, again in that bronze Eclipse color scheme, and this is ThermaFit. It's very, very warm, but I, again, just think it popped so nicely with this simplistic shoe. Definitely can wear lots of bright colors or darker colors or keep it monochromatic, but I think this is just a really easy shoe to match with pretty much anything.
Check 1 room to you. I'ma come scoop you.
Said I'm the only one you text first. Got you buzzing in the mood, sending something in the nude, that's your best work. Left with the feels, right or wrong. You know I keep it black and white with you like ref shirt. While we typing, I'd rather FaceTime. You know I like it, but I don't wanna waste time. Answer with your waistlines, taking up the whole can, whoa damn. Caught staring my attention, yeah you own that. Talk to me, love that sound. You know the lock screen, the only time I'll keep you in the background.
All right, you let me know what you thought of these different styles, or how did you decide to style these shoes?
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. And we can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on?
should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for a play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exes. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt a fire like this. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. Right here, right now, we're running out of things to talk about. Right here, right now, I'm about to let the truth come out. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? You tell me now. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna go and lay you down. I just feel like you need to know. It's clear. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone?
Again, all of the links for all of these products will be listed down below, so be sure to check those out after this video. And again, thank you, Nike, for sending all these pieces over to me. All right, now let's conclude with how much these are going for. So these are going for $85, which I think is a great price point for a sneaker. Again, if you're new to the game and you're looking for just an easy shoe to start with, I think the BLAZER is a great option. And I think that this is just a great colorway as well if you're looking for something that really just kind of goes with everything and anything. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much, everybody, for tuning in. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Again, huge thank you to the Nike team for always thinking of me. We'll catch you guys all later.